Morning, that's a lot of, huh?
On top of it.
Mm, yeah,
But you know there's
metal on there.
metal or something.
These are the beach.
Yeah, there's like thick white metal.
Yeah. The beach view. They're probably getting ready to go diving.
Sure.
If there's any place to launch the drone, I could launch it from right here, I guess. Yeah, two bigger rocks down there. There's Oppo Island right out there. They're close. Let's sit under a fan, huh? This is their restaurant. Swimming pool. Little pool. It looks like it's got a seat all the way around it in there, huh?
Yeah.
Get our breakfast. Good morning.
Morning.
Good morning. Diving this morning, so they're all getting ready. A lot of Chinese.
刚刚拿 BB 的那个防救生圈了没有？做这样的要纵身3个。
You're headed for Apple Island, I would assume, huh? Here we get, what, 200 pesos toward each of our breakfast and a free continental breakfast. Coffee, fruit.
Oh, so they really shake the tree so the flowers fall
Oh, yeah?
right there.
Mm. They'll be all gone by the time we get the drone.
Maybe we could fly close to
Too far. No, I wouldn't trust it, bud. Can you imagine that? I don't know how far that is. But I guess you could. It's supposed to go 5 kilometers, huh?
It will tell you, right?
I guess it will. But I wouldn't want to do it over water. If it didn't make it back, we'd be out our drone. Go this way. There's the Sicky horror room. Sicky horror room. And the Davao. There's the bar. The pool. The Thalada. You got a couple duplex type. Has found a flower. There you go. Very nice resort. And you pay for it. This is $3.8 for the rooms here, so like $80. So not a cheap place, but anywhere else it would cost you a lot. You know. Back in the room. I was going to show you the bathroom. Now it's daylight. And the bathroom is out to a little garden. So you actually see out the windows while you're showering. I don't know if it's one-way glass or not. It looked like it last night, but I don't know. Kind of a sink like we have at the house. Anyhow, we're going to go fly the drone. No, to the right. Out of here, around the back of this. Getting ready to check out of the Thalada, huh? Got to get an early start. It's like 10:30, but breakfast and pictures takes a while. Anyhow, it'll probably take half an hour to check out like normal or more. One thing in the Philippines. This is a nice place. That's nice. You do the murals. Key minus is like An hour out of Dumaguete, but they'll come pick you up if I do Dumaguete. One water, huh? I go put this in the car.
Yeah.
Huh?
Just that one.
Oh, I got it. Daz will do the checking out. I'll get the van ready and head up the coast. Try and get an earlier start. Our little van, at least nobody bothers it compared to if we had a new one. Anyhow, later.